That looks like a funny dog.
Ano to to?
Yes. A dinosaur's dog. Kind of looks like a wolf, huh? With a tail. It's like a tweetle.
Wow.
A tweetle kind of looks like a dinosaur. It's called a dinosaur dog. It has very big hands. And look at it. See, it's only one walker.
Yes.
See?
Very sorry.
Yeah.
Only most of it cut.
Huh? That's a funny dog. There's no specific.
Sa ganda mo, hindi mo
Roaches, roosters, or monsters. Oh, yeah.
Umunis. Yes. Ay, slow ay sunod. Ay. Lakat.
I'll send Daddy to haunted house. I'll send Daddy to haunted house.
Why you wanna send? He's going to protect you.
Not protecting me.
Then, you're not protecting you.
Not protecting me.
Daddy's protecting you. Daddy's more than
So much hair for that.
Why wait? This one.
This looks ugly. This one. It looks ugly, Mama.
It's okay.
It's like, oh, where are we? Monster dog. Itchy dog. Monster dog. There's hair and a dinosaur's body.
Shake me.
A roof. A roof has a dinosaur's head and a dinosaur's body. That's what we call a roof. A phoenix. A phoenix has a human's head and a lion's body.
Really low. More than
dog. See, check it in.
How is it going?
I mean, other things. You know, that's why who's in getting you tap it.
Yes.
And that's Miley. I mean, Miley.
You can change it.
You know, that's why who's in getting me. I think something creepy. I think something creepy.
Good boy.
See, you're taking off.
Good boy. Ayan.
There's always in the bathroom. Look, let's watch.
Sorry.
Ah, this is all like Andy.
Okay. I'm not sorry.
Well, let's What's that? I also like
Kulay kalian duluan dong. Kulay guys. Ano yan? What are you doing? Hey, don't be.
They're gone. Again. Ah,
Puro sa medyo.
I'll just tell you a dream. What's wrong with me? Where am I? Where am I, Mama?
You're in the house.
It was a big black spider. 뭘 소리? 아무 소리 없이.
Pakai nasi. Single ini. Kalau gitu cakap.
Oh.